Good morning, everybody. We're here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash or sodium carbonate for the last 30 minutes or so. We're going to twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride.
Got a hair in it.
Oh no. It's rather chilly out here, people. We've had a recent cold snap, but we're still going to try to dye. You're going to try to do one of those 6-fold ones, or what's the plan for this one?
Why don't we do a bullseye? We haven't done one of those.
We haven't done a bullseye in a while.
This is an extra large.
XL. Throw some bands on it. Here's some construction. Looks like they're building a homestead down there or something. I don't know. I wonder what that could be.
Sounds like new neighbors.
Yeah. Maybe like they're trying to pull stumps out of the ground with a tractor or a chain. I don't know. It's just what my mind's telling me.
Your mind's telling you no, but your body's telling you yes.
That's what it's telling me when I was down there trying to help them, yeah. I just walked down here to chill for a second, man. Next thing I know, I'm wrapping chains around stumps.
Okay.
To the dyeing rack.
Let's go.
Blup.
Okay.
All those are freshly mixed. We're mixing the rest too, people. I can only do so much at a time. I got kids, folks. What we got there? Better black?
Yeah.
Better black for the middle.
The center of our bullseye.
Little skosh.
Okay.
You good? Fire red. Yeah, I forgot to clip them. They were brand new. I'll go get the clippers. Give me just a second.
Okay.
What we got next?
Golden yellow.
Golden yellow. That one is clipped because it's a reuse, so it shouldn't need a new tip, did it?
No, I'm switching between golden yellow and fire red.
Oh, it should have had a good tip.
Golden yellow did.
Yeah.
Fire red did not.
Oh yeah. Nicely. Golden yellow. Nice new vibrant colors. Some more black.
This is bluebird.
Bluebird, sorry. Bluebird. Another very vibrant color. Try to go with some bold tones since everyone complains about the pastels all the time. I was like, okay. Noted. We'll do deeper colors because everybody thinks that they just wash out. You might need some towel, don't you? Let me go get you your snippers.
Okay. Well, while he's gone, we got bluebird on the back. So we got black, fire red, golden yellow, bluebird, black. And now we'll go back to the fire red. I kind of try to like move them around because it gets black dye on the rack, so you kind of gotta like move it around a little bit.
Get a little bit of rollage on it.
Yeah.
So they're just gonna be those 4 colors?
Yeah.
Alrighty, so all told on this one we have fire red, better black, bluebird, and citrus yellow. No, golden yellow, sorry. All told, on this one we have fire red, golden yellow, bluebird, and better black. A beautiful tricolor bullseye. It is freezing out here, people. It's warming up a little bit, but it is still cold.
And I know it.
We got the new dye carrier over there. Look at that. Fancy, fancy. Fortunately, our sun is setting. That's okay.
Okay.
Windy, windy. To the drying
Alright.
rack.
Let's go.
Drop it in. Middle shelf, where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.